Good evening, everyone. How are you today? There's one important thing I want to show you guys. I love to help everyone. If possible, I want to have more than enough to give people. So because of that, anything that comes my way that I know that it can help humanity, I will always bring it to you. This particular one is for my people live in Libya. So I come across something that is very, very good, and it's helpful for the kind of work we do in Libya. For those who know about Shagala, so if you are into Shagala stuff, if you are into cleaning in Libya, there's something important I want to give you. Don't go yet. There's something very important I want to give you, and this thing will help you a lot. In fact, with this thing, if possible, you can walk in 3 houses without you feel it on your body. It's called Siyaga. You are going to say, it's not Siyaga you have been using since. No, this one is very different. Very different. You see? Do you see how this person is smiling? You see the smile? This is the way it is. You see them? It sticks to the ground. It's dry water like magic. All you need is a very long stick to put. When you put a very long stick, a place you need to clean for about 3 hours. With this, you clean it within 30 minutes. I'm not selling it, but for me to tell you and tell you for free, you will know that it's really worth it. It is stick to the gas. You see, can you see any space under when it's on the ground? No any space. That is the way it is. Once there is water, it dry it off. You don't even need a man shelf before it dry the ground. So you can look for it. You can take a picture. Maybe later I'll take the picture and post. I don't know if you really get it like this. Look at it. I have it in different color because I don't know if it's available in my area. If I know any store that have it and watch this video, connect me, let me tell people about you. I don't mind even though you didn't pay me. I am a cheerful giver. Because me, I did not know where it is. I'm in Masurata and I didn't see it in Masurata. Someone bought it for me from Benghazi. It's very, very good. It's lovely. Try it. I love you.